Hey everyone, and welcome if it's your first time here. If not, welcome back. My name is Ashley and today I have an unboxing for you. So let me just jump right into that. So it has finally arrived. If you have watched any of my other unboxings of free baby gifts, I finally got the one from Babylist. Finally. I did open it because I just waited for so long. So I'm going to show you what I got. And I'm going to say right now, to get this box, you don't really have to pay. It's free, but you do have to pay for the shipping. I'm not sure the box was worth it this time around. Last pregnancy, it definitely was. It was one of my absolute favorites, which was why I was so excited to get this box. And I was kind of left underwhelmed. But anyway, let's get to it. So here's the box. It usually is covered with the paper and it has a nice little sticker and it's cuter. Okay, and this was one of my favorite things. This is by Nano Baby, and I had not seen this before. Or I don't think I've seen this brand before. It is a hospital go bag kit, and it has a couple of things included. It's basically meant for you to just toss in your hospital bag and not have to worry about simple things like breast pads, milk storage bags. It has 3. And then it has one of the cutest pacifiers I have ever seen. Look at how small this thing is. It's so cute. Please ignore my nails. They're so brittle this pregnancy. But yeah, look at this little passy. And then it has a little booklet full of coupons. So that's the first item. I got the Lancino little packet. This has 2 breast pads, and then it has also 2 milk storage bags. I have a kind of gift card to the Yummy site, and I'm pretty sure this is for baby food. So yeah, a gift card. And then this is really cute. I have to admit that. It's a little card that says, "Today I am 1 day old," and you can write down the date. Just a cute little thing to add to your hospital bag. It has the tiniest of Lancino cream samples. It's right there. Super small. But yeah, a sample nonetheless. Then I got a little baby toy from Lamaze Blushing Blossom Mini Clip and Go. So it's a cute little flower that you can attach to like the stroller or the car seat. Really colorful and like crinkly paper type things. It's fun for babies. You get the traditional cards to pass out if you are using exclusively Babylist for your registry. They give you a couple of cards for you to make it easier on yourself. Then I have a Johnson Cotton Touch Face and Body Lotion. So you get a little sample of the lotion. Another passy. This is by Kiko. I'm pretty sure I got one of these in my Amazon baby box. I think so. It's just a clear baby pacifier. And then I have some Maddie's All Natural Acid and Indigestion Relief. They're naturally drug-free. So yeah, I got a little packet of that. I have a coupon to the toy that I just showed you. It's $5 off at Target. Okay, and then I have a sample of, I think this is only 1 water wipe. And I have $1 off on the back. I have a discount code for Solly Baby. I got my baby wrap already. If you haven't tried Solly Baby, they are awesome. They're so soft and I just love the quality. So a little discount for Solly Baby. And the last thing is the Pampers kit thing. This is a change pad. Let me open it up. It'll include a change pad, and inside it has Draft laundry detergent, coupons, more coupons. Oh, a little code for you to have a Pampers reward system. More information. This is March of Dimes. A 6-pack of wipes. These are the Pampers Sensitive. And then you get, I think, one size 1 diaper. And that is all. That's everything that I had in my Babylist box. I hope this was helpful if you are considering getting this. Take into consideration that it took a lot of time to get here. I think maybe 6 or 7 weeks. And you do have to pay $9.95, I believe, for shipping. And if I'm honest, I think that the Target bag is way better. I also think that the Amazon bags was a lot better than this one. Last time around, it was wonderful and it was one of my favorites, but this time, meh, underwhelmed. But I hope you enjoyed this and found it useful. If you did, show me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and like this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. I am trying really, really hard to post every single Monday. So that's basically my schedule, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.